Okay folks, I've done another cluster kit. I enjoy putting these together and I enjoy working with them. Okay, I've done, you know, little pieces that you can rip and tear. Okay, this about 30, well actually it's 13 pages, but I'm going to shrink down some of the ephemera as well. Okay, so that you've got 2 to a page for ease of printing for those of you that use a PDF. Okay, so I've got a sort of medley of background papers, just small snippets of it that you can rip and tear. And then I've got some blues and that on this one, some browns. Yeah, so quite purpley there, or lilac purpley colour. That's nice. Then I've got a collage sheet in colour, sort of, and then I've got one tone on tone. Okay, and then I've got, this is some of the ephemera. I've got birds and sort of bluey. It all goes together, you know, with these, and I've got, you know, it does coordinate. So it's really nice, like, little things there. These are the ones I'm going to shrink down again. I think I've got them in here, but I haven't actually done it yet. I've done it myself, you know, with my printer. Yeah, so it's those and some ephemera. Yeah, some little tickets and that, so you can build up some clusters, and you know, fairly not large ones, but they can be clusters. Or assemblage, isn't it? Assemblage is a word, but I've never remember that. So mine are clusters, big and small. Got some frames here. Then I've done some frames here. I wanted to take middles out there, and some more bits and pieces to cut out. Okay. And then a page of fuzzy cuts. Let me see that. Okay, and I've done a fine border around them all, so it sort of makes it easier to cut. Okay, and some blue flowers at the top. And then I've done a couple of pages of tags, not many. I just thought, oh, we'll just, you know, you can make some nice tags out of those. So there's a little medley there, and then on this colour scheme, which still goes with the blue as well, actually. So, oh, I've done 3. I can't remember. I think I've done this one last night, actually. Oh, I got 2 of those. Never mind. That's okay. I just thought it went really well because I've got it there as well. Look. Never mind. I'm going to keep it because it was absolutely perfect colour balance when I put this on top of that and done it. It was lovely. So I'm going to leave it. Okay. And then, oh, this was 2. There's more than that. There's 2 pages of that as well. But there's only 1 in the kit. That's all. It's just I printed it twice on sticker paper. So there. So that's that. Some washi tape. Okay, it'll go. Yeah, I've done mine on sticker tape, and then it'll just coordinate to everything. That's that. And then I shrunk down those, which will be included, not this sticker tape, in the kit as well. Okay, so it's 2 to a page, and that gives you your small clusters. Yeah. Okay, I hope you like that. I'm going to say only a quick video. Ooh, only a quick video just to show you what I've been doing and playing with, and really like these. I've already cut these out, so I'm looking forward to making some clusters for my album because I think they look nice in there. And then it's just sort of like a medley of different things to do, you know, but coordinate at the same time. So, and this will go, the blue ones will go nice with my blue collage papers that I've brought out recently as well. So yeah, so here we go. Well, thank you very much everybody, and speak to you soon. Bye.